Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I packed for vacation, and this video is obviously in a different setup than where I normally film. I'm usually sitting in my makeup chair with like the angle kind of that way, but for today's video I decided that I'm going to do it on my bed because my bag is quite big and I would not be able to like show you guys everything on my little makeup table. I got my nails done yesterday for vacation, and literally look how pretty. I got rhinestones on the pointer fingers, plain white on the middle finger and thumb, and then ombre glitter on the ring finger, and then all glitter on the pinky. Like, I'm literally obsessed with them. They're my favorite nails that I've ever gotten ever. I am so organized, you guys. I literally made a whole checklist of everything that I need. I have all of my essentials, toiletries, clothes, outfits, like everything written down on a checklist. So I know that I have everything packed, and I thought about that checklist for a good while, so I know that I have everything that I need. As you guys may or may not know, this trip has been talked about for so long, but things have kind of been delayed and pushed off because of COVID and everything. So yeah, we have just been waiting for this vacation for a while. We're also going to be flying, which I have not done since I was like 6 or 7 years old. So I'm not really nervous for like the actual ride itself. I'm kind of nervous that I'm going to feel sick because my stomach's just really sensitive to like long car rides. I just like don't agree with any of that. I have a whole fanny pack that I'm going to bring with me on the plane, so I have like things like Tylenol like with me, and I don't have to like bust out my bag to get anything, you know. So this is my duffel bag, literally packed to the brim. It's a Victoria's Secret Fashion Show London 2014. I'm obsessed with this bag. It's literally the cutest thing ever. So first I have this Victoria's Secret shiny hanging toiletry bag. This literally has a hanger, so you can hang it up in the bathroom and have your shampoo in it and like everything you need. Great for travel. I think it's actually what it's made for. So I have all of my makeup, like basically anything like that in here. When you're flying, you have to have all of your liquids fit in a quart-sized pouch. So mine is quite full because it includes stuff like mascara, eyebrow gel, like basically anything that can turn into liquid, I guess. Like, I don't really know. Like I said, I'm not familiar with flying, but it has to be TSA compliant. So I have all of my shower stuff in here, shampoo, conditioner. I have a leave-in conditioner that I packed, deodorant, and nothing can be over 3.4 fluid ounces in this bag. So I have my perfume, mascara, eyebrow pencil, eyelash glue, chapstick, brow gel. I have a little container of aloe vera that I'm bringing in case if, you know, I get sunburn or whatever. Hand sanitizer, a must. So that's down here, fits literally perfect. And then up here I have all of my loose makeup, things that like don't need to fit in that pouch, such as like eyelashes. I have my toothbrush in here, makeup brushes, makeup remover. I have a mini hairbrush. I have hair ties. And you guys, a life hack if you're traveling, this came with that quart pouch, and I literally just put all my hair ties in it because I didn't want them like loose roaming around my bag. So I have that, and I'm also bringing this like electric portable razor. I got this from Marshall's. It was only like $7, and it's great for on the go. I really hope they don't make me throw this out, or like that I'm able to take it, because I looked it up and it says you can, but like I would think this is considered as a weapon. Like they literally don't even let you take like forks and stuff, so like why would they let you take a razor? That's in this bag, and this thing barely closes, you guys. Like, oh my god, I literally had to like force it to close. Oh my god, I'm gonna break it now. I forgot to put my lashes in. It fits. And this thing is like kind of big. You see the size of this? Like, it's huge. So I have all of my outfits packed. Everything is so nicely folded. How I like to pack is I have my outfits together so I don't like mix them up. I know I can mix and match when I get there, but for when I pack, I just like to have my shirts inside of my pants like this, so I know that it goes together. And I like to have everything like planned. Number one is a gray self-tie short sleeve top with capri jeans, and I'm guessing it's going to be really, really hot there. So I only have one pair of long jeans in case if it's like breezy one day. Like I said, I can wear this top with any of my other jean shorts that I packed, but for when I have it in my duffel bag, I have them together like that. Outfit number 2 is these jean shorts with a white bow Hollister top. Third is a pair of black jeans with this cheetah top. I'm obsessed with this. It's literally like my favorite top at the moment. It's perfect cheetah and it also has like slits on the side, if you can see that. Super, super cute. I really love all the outfits that I packed for this trip. I brought a romper just in case if we go out to dinner or something. I am going with my boyfriend's family, so I would want to look decent when we go out, or this could be used as like a cover-up over a bathing suit. We are going for 5 days, so I have more than 5 outfits. I think I have 6, an extra one, but like I said, I can mix and match. I also have this one, which is a sleeping outfit, black Sophie shorts with a Victoria's Secret pink tank top that says hustle on the front. It's like a muscle tee type of thing. I could also wear this to the gym, which we're going to be doing that down there at the place. I packed 3 of my favorite suits. They're all cupshe. We love cupshe. First is this black and white striped one with the matching bottoms. These are high-waisted, and they're the only high-waisted bottoms that I'm bringing because I don't want to be getting a high-waisted tan line. They're cheetah top with some plain black ruffle bottoms. I'm not doing the matching cheetah bottoms with these because, again, they're high-waisted. I'm also going to be vlogging down there, so you'll be able to see me wearing these down there as well. But I brought the black and white crocheted one, as well as the matching bottoms, which are not high-waisted. I also am bringing white Converse high tops. I wasn't going to bring any sneakers at all, but Darian said my feet would hurt walking around a lot, so I'm just bringing a pair of sneakers in case if I need them. He said we're going to be doing a lot of walking. My Michael Kors flip-flops, literally wear these everywhere. You can tell they are very worn. My outfit for the airport is going to be this white tank top without the sports bra underneath, these pink sweats, and then bedazzled slides. So I'll also have those if I don't want to wear these or the Converse. Socks, I also have a pair of fuzzy socks because I'm always freezing, especially in like a hotel or condo. Like the air is always blasting. Like I couldn't even sleep in Ocean City when I went with my boyfriend because, oh my god, it was just like too cold. And then I have all of my bras and underwear in here as well, and that is actually all that I packed. I am not someone that really like packs extra. I pack extra, but like not unnecessarily. I need to make room to fit this big thing back here. Oh my god, I'm gonna have a fun time packing this again. I definitely love everything that I packed. I'm very satisfied with my outfits and everything else. Also, I'm now going to show you guys what I'm packing for my fanny pack. I'm going to pack my Michael Kors wallet that has my license, credit card, cash, like everything that you would need for a vacation inside. I'm also packing this in my fanny pack. It's like that Spa Life thing. My brightness is so high. It's just like a facial mist, and I feel like this will be really great on the plane if I'm able to take it. I know it's liquid, but I can just empty it and then put water on it while I'm on the plane, you know, with the water that they give you. So I might just do that. I might have to empty it, but I'm not throwing this thing out. I need to pack a couple of things, like my charger is not packed yet. My AirPods are charging over there, as well as my battery camera charger and my camera, obviously. But those are kind of things that you pack last minute, you know. So Darian is packing the toothpaste, the mouthwash, things like that. And then, of course, the masks. Most importantly, you guys, like, I am not trying to play with this virus. Like, oh my god. I also needed to pack a power bank or, like, a portable charger for the plane. But, like, I don't know where mine went. So, yeah, and even if I buy one, I'm not going to have time to charge and stuff. We literally leave tomorrow at 2 a.m. So, basically, like, tonight, kind of, you know. Yeah, that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below where your favorite vacation spot is to travel. Obviously, if you are choosing to travel during these times, please, please, please wear your masks, hand sanitize, just be safe and take every precaution you can. It is so important. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so, so much, and bye guys.